Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening File, then Options, and choose Customize Ribbon so you can see the existing tabs and groups. Once done, enable the exact tab you need, like Developer by checking its box. Make sure you select whether changes apply to this workbook or all workbooks. You want the panel visible before adding controls. Next, use the right side list to inspect groups and the left side list to find commands. This lets you plan where each command will live. Now add commands by selecting one on the left and clicking Add to place it into a chosen group. This is how you build useful workflows. Once added, right-click a tab or group and choose Rename to give it a clear, concise label that you'll recognize quickly. To prioritize access, use the up and down arrows to reorder tabs and groups. Make frequently used commands appear earlier. This organization reduces click time and aligns the ribbon to your tasks. Finish by clicking OK to apply and save your customized ribbon so it appears immediately. If you want the setup on another PC, use Import/Export to save an XML file. Make sure to test common actions to confirm commands work. If something breaks, reopen Customize Ribbon and choose Reset for the specific tab rather than the whole interface to avoid losing other changes. If a command is missing, verify it's available for your Excel version and not an add-in issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.